What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to start going over Euro Swiss franc. And before we get into this, I want you guys to do one thing, and that's like this idea. Not only does it support me, but it gives others an opportunity to see these videos, potentially learn something, and even more importantly, potentially make some profit along the way. So that being said, do me, everyone else a favor, like this idea, and we can get straight into it. So what I'm going to do is start on the line chart on the monthly time frame as always, and we're going to be looking for areas of critical areas of structure relative to where price is at and to where it could potentially be going. And let's see. I did just want to highlight the fact that we're going to be looking at some trends as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I think this is the best we got so far. And just real quick, for safe measure, we'll do this one. So you, like I said, when you're doing this, you want to find the most touches on a line. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would do consolidation and then 2. So the more touches, the more significant. And right now, we're going to go to the line chart. Well, let's see if we have any trends real quick. We have this. It's kind of a weak, almost structural trend. Nothing really going on here, to be completely honest. So just to give you a quick recap, if you can't see, if you're blind, we already broke through this descending structure. So that means we're probably going to be making higher highs. Oh, look at that's exactly what we've done here and here. So now we're going to be looking for some buying opportunities. But right now we have a short-term shorting opportunity. So real quick, I just want to highlight this to show you that we did, in fact, break this trend line. And we do have this ascending trend line as well. So right now we're going to be looking at getting in on longs, but we do have a shorting opportunity for us. So as always, what we're going to do is get this fibs, and we're going to overlay it and see if anything is lining up with our structural support. So we have two things that are lining up with us so far. So we have this one right here, which is also going to be the 38. And we're going to talk about that. 38 plus major structure. And so that's pretty important for us. And then next is going to be this one right here. Oops. And that's going to be 61, which is also extremely important. But it's just regular structure. It's not that important because it wasn't touched as nearly as much as the other one. It's still important because it's at a higher time frame. And what we're going to do, I don't know why it's doing that. They must have changed it on the back end. Cool. So we have two pieces of structure that are telling us, hey, this is likely where we're going to be seeing some potential resistance. And for me, I'm looking at this being an opportunity for us to short term. So we have this one right here. But if we hold on, let's go to the weekly real quick. Look at all this momentum pumping up beyond this on this pair right here. So we have a lot of momentum coming in hot with this trade up here. So it's unlikely that we're going to see some extreme resistance or a pivot point at this zone. So we could also do this. This one would be a little bit more realistic. However, if we do start seeing some resistance, we can start looking at the 4-hour and daily for reversal points. So IFF, if and only if we respect resistance, look for shorts. Otherwise, we're going to be looking for some short-term plays. So I'm actually going to do this one a little bit more right here and give this some more breathing room. So if and only if. Otherwise, wait to. Cool. So that's pretty much it, guys. And then once we actually get to our target entry points, we're going to be looking for longs. Like I said, we are looking at long-term plays overall because we did end up breaking that long structure right here, that descending trend line. So right now we're in a bullish environment. We are making higher lows. We're making higher highs on the monthly time frame. And certainly right here as well. So all we really need to do is come down, and if we can start respecting this or this as support, then we're going to start looking at some buying opportunities once we get to there. But for now, we're looking at short-term interest. This is a short-term short interest, and overall, I am still bullish on this particular pair. Anyways, this is Euro Swiss franc, guys. Hopefully, you guys are following along, learning along the way, and making some profit. I'll see you guys in the next video.